Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix NVIDIA driver won't install in Windows 10. Super easy fix for that, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, on search, just write device manager and go to display adapters, go to your graphic card and just press uninstall device and uninstall devices here. And after you do that, then you need to go to apps and features, and then you just need to look for everything related to NVIDIA and simply reinstall all the things. NVIDIA FrameView, GeForce Experience, NVIDIA graphic drivers, NVIDIA audio drivers. Basically delete all the stuff related to NVIDIA, and just by pressing and uninstall, and maybe it will require to restart your computer from deleting one of the tasks, so please do so. And after you do that, after you don't have any files related to NVIDIA, what you need to do here is to go to your browser, go to GeForce Experience, download GeForce Experience, and then install it. Open up GeForce Experience here and go to drivers, check for updates, and basically they will ask you to update your GPU through here, and the problem should be fixed, right? And if the problem persists, if you're using some sort of antivirus system before doing these steps, please disable the antivirus so it will not cause the problems of installation and all other stuff, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.